In a lush green forest, a dazzling bird danced, his magnificent feathers whispering tales of beauty. He pranced and preened, making sure every passerby stopped to admire his splendor. Suddenly, darkness swept the sky. Ominous clouds gathered, rumbling with thunder. The air crackled with electric energy, as if nature itself held its breath. The winds howled ferociously. Heavy plumage weighed him down, anchoring him to the ground. Panic fluttered within his chest as he realized he could not take to the skies. But above the chaos, a tiny champion noticed. With determination in her heart, she darted through the storm, her gentle song cutting through the noise. "Follow me," she chirped, fluttering toward a mighty oak. Fear gripped him, but desperation urged him to move. He had to trust her. He flapped his vivid wings, heavy with pride, and stumbled after her. Each flap felt like a battle, but he pressed on, chasing her flickering shadow. "Look ahead," she urged, her voice bright. "There's shelter!" Her spirited cheer ignited a flicker of hope. He focused on her guiding light. Finally, they reached the sturdy tree. Drops of rain splattered down, but he was safe. Sheltered beneath the branches, relief washed over him. The storm faded, leaving behind a sense of calm. He felt lighter, his heart full of warmth. Friendship blossomed like flowers after rain. A radiant rainbow stretched above them, a symbol of their newfound bond. He realized beauty lies not in appearances, but in the hearts that care. Together they soared, laughter echoing in the breeze. The splendid bird had learned to cherish the strength of kindness and companionship. Side by side, they watched the world below. In that moment, he vowed to treasure each friendship above all, letting love shine brighter than any feather.